Nag-return to office kami sa Manila and bago kami umuwi ay naisipan naming mag-hotpot kasi ang tagal na naming di ulit nakakabalik sa favorite hotpot place namin dito sa may BGC. Uy, kain na, sabay ka sa amin and become a fat finder too. Located inside Juan Bonifacio High Street Mall, we visited Senbao na nagsaserve ng Chinese-style hot pot. Napakarami nila ngayong promo options kaya mas exciting. We love this place as hindi ito crowded and maluwag ang space. We started by checking some of our favorites on their menu. While we do that, agad-agad nilang sinerve sa amin ang water and orange juice na unlimited. We love how accommodating their staff and they even give recommendations sa mga customers, especially sa mga first-timers. Here is the list of the choices that you can order. They got a great table setup kung saan lulutuin at kakainin ng aming food. Nakakadagdag ng premium dining experience ang kanilang setup na ito. They offer different kinds of ingredients for our dipping sauces, which is customizable. You can see how devoted they are on maintaining the place well, even with the sauce bar section. In case you're new or just want their signature sauces, meron kodigo na available sa area if it's your first time. If di ka pa sold sa only juice or iced tea nila, meron naman ding ibang drinks na pagpipilian. It can be a soda or beer, kaso limited choices nga lang. Meron dalawang klaseng prutas na option during our visit. Nagtry kami nitong limited edition nilang stew minced pork na kilalang kilala na dish sa Taiwan. You should try this kasi napakasarap at malasa ang dish na ito. Umaapaw ang table namin sa USDA grade beef, mga mushroom, tofu, and all-time favorite namin ang lobster balls and cheese balls. Sobrang sulit na kasi mayroon pa silang peeled prawns at squid tentacles. Kasi before, hindi naman peeled yung shrimp nila. Siguro maraming hindi umu-order kasi nahihirapang magbalat. So, yan. Wala nang problema. Balat na pag niluto nyo. All these personal choices will be dunked and boiled in this two flavorful broth. They will serve you two kinds of broth. In our case, we choose the original and spicy broth. Grabe, after maluto ng beef, we dip it na agad sa napakasarap na customizable dipping sauce na ginawa namin. Tapos, ayun na, heaven na in our mouth. Sobrang sarap talaga. Halos lahat ng choices worth every bite. Additionally, pwedeng umorder ulit at napakabilis nilang iserve ito sa table nyo, as in wala pang 5 minutes. Isa pa sa gusto namin sa staff nila ay they won't let your table messy or full of empty plates kasi lilinisin agad nila ito. Tapos, pwede tayong bumalik sa sauce bar area para mag-refill or mag-try naman ng ibang klaseng special dipping sauces. Special mention itong mantaw nila ha. They will serve it hot and fresh sa inyo. Mag-ingat lang kasi medyo mainit. Tapos may kasama itong condensed milk. Grabe ang sarap. Tapos, you can get one free ice cream of your choice. Isa lang ha. And medyo marami rin namang option dun sa may freezer. Just let them know if gusto nyo nang kumuha. Overall, palaging best experience ang kain namin dito kahit nakakailang balik na ako personally. Yung attitude ng staff and customer service ang isa sa mga binabalik-balikan namin sa lugar na ito. Sobrang accommodating, mabilis ang service, laging nakangiti, malinis at higit sa lahat, they seek for customers' feedback. Kaya undeniably, they keep on improving at deserve nila ang napakaraming positive reviews. They are open daily from 11 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m. from Monday to Thursday and 11 p.m. on Fridays and weekends. They accept reservation until 6:30 p.m. only. They have many different types of promotions including those with banks, special occasions, and special discounts. They are also pet-friendly so you can bring your pets with you basta naka-diaper and be a responsible pet owner. This is also a child-friendly place as they provide child seats. They accept cash, online banking payments, and credit cards. Kids under 4 feet are totally free. So, bill-rebill na. Ang total bill namin ay inabot ng almost 2,000 pesos. The best experience talaga at babalik-balikan pa rin namin ang place na ito. Try nyo rin and sure, mag-enjoy kayo. So, saan kami next? Tag your friends and learn more by checking our social media platforms. Please help us improve finders. Bye!